first round for you of hearing the Storm Center music and working it.
It was, yeah. I was thinking of it more as like Storm Center light, because it didn't have, like we were talking about, it didn't have like the coastal flooding. It didn't have, you know, ice. The winds weren't crazy strong.
Power outages. So, how fortunate we've been, right? That really the biggest impact from this was big amounts of light, fluffy snow.
And then now it's drifting. It's cold, so the wind will blow that around a little bit. You know, if you're going down a road and the wind's blowing perpendicular to it, there could be some drifts over that. So just watch out for that. Tonight, temperatures, they're cold, so it's not going anywhere. Single digits, if not mid to low teens throughout the state. And we're seeing more snow start to work into western and southern Maine. This bank is going to be thanks to this little chunk of energy that moves across the state, and really this is just going to get absorbed by the parent storm system, the one that generated most of last night's snow. It's this low out here, so the little baby one just gets absorbed into it overnight tonight, and that's really why, one, we get the snow, and two, the snow also goes away because the energy will be gone. Tomorrow, it's cold. The snow exits as that disturbance moves more to the east. The cold is going to stick with us. Big chunks of Arctic air going to hang out through Friday. And this pattern, big trough, right, into the eastern half of the country is going to be conducive for East Coast storm development over the course of the weekend. So we'll pick this back up Wednesday, 2 o'clock. This is the feature. Lee cyclogenesis is what we call this, although it's not terribly impressive. That's just the energy. The cyclogenesis, the development of the low, doesn't really happen until it perhaps gets up the Gulf Stream on the southeast Atlantic coast. By Saturday, this low should be starting to get its act together. And at this point, not going to throw out any more model data because I think there is a wide range of possibilities from where it goes off of the Carolinas coast. So there's not going to be much precision this far out. There's a lot of possibility, and there's just no way to say, yes, it's going to be here or sure, out toward Nova Scotia. But that's what we're going to be watching and refining over the course of really the next several days. I think by Wednesday, we should have a pretty good idea of what is to come with that system. Definitely going to be worth watching. 5 to 8 foot seas on the waters tomorrow. Northwest breeze 15 to 25 knots. Water temperatures probably right around 40. There will be some pretty gusty winds on the waters overnight, but probably about 10 to 15 elsewhere. So drifting snow a possibility. Teens, if not low 20s. Fairly quiet with respect to active weather, snow chances through Friday. A little bit more mild, I guess if you want to call it that, into the weekend, mid to upper 20s. And there's that chance if the storm we were just talking about does happen to hedge more to the west. It looks like if that were to happen, the impacts would be Sunday timeframe. But you know, plenty of time to watch it. There are so many avenues at this point that system could take.
And still some to head our way a little bit tonight, just a little bit, right? The 2 inches or so?
2 to 4 inches, and then after about midnight or so, get to the shoveling.
You can get the shovel
there you go.
out. Right.
Yeah.
Thanks, Alan.